Interesting news from the United Arab Emirates. Laws in the UAE will be written by the artificial intelligence. The United Arab Emirates has announced the integration of artificial intelligence technology into the lawmaking process. The government has already approved the creation of a new government body called the Regulatory Intelligence Authority. This is reported by the Financial Times. I have read this from various different articles, um, and but this article refers to the Financial Times, although the article itself isn't in the Financial Times. The project involves automatic analysis of the current laws, databases of court decisions, public services, and the socio-economic consequences of legal norms. Based on this, the system will regularly propose amendments to laws according to the government. This will speed up the process by 70%. This will change the way we create laws. It will be faster and more accurate, said Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates. According to the researchers, this is the first attempt to involve artificial intelligence, not only for analyzing legislative documents but also for writing them. At the same time, experts warn about the risks typical of AI. I guess they're referring to often the typical mistakes it makes. So using it for this kind of way in terms of making decisions like this is risky. That's why I'm surprised that they're doing so. At the same time, the experts warn about the risk of typical of AI, the complexity of interpretations and hallucinations. It is also not yet known which models are planned to be used in the UAE. It's interesting to see, and they even mentioned that sometimes typical of AI makes it operates in a certain way. So of course they're still gonna need humans and to refine it and to check and stuff like this. So I think they should have waited a bit longer before doing something like this. But I guess you can only improve things by letting it make mistakes. But it's interesting to see that already people are using artificial intelligence in this way, and perhaps other countries will follow on. But also many people have observed artificial intelligence often the way things and the laws and whatever else isn't the best of ways. Sometimes they might have biases towards certain people of certain faith, religion, color, ethnicity, and whatever else, which people spot and then have to remove themselves. So things like this and other things people have to be wary of when using artificial intelligence for something like this, something as big as this. It's interesting to see, and it'll be interesting to see how quickly other countries do similar, and also how successful or unsuccessful it is.